Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C63 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen, and that is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your screen, and from there, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound along with the pop-up and share option at the bottom. Now this will disappear on its own in a moment. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find your captured screenshot by going into your Photos application, and in here should have our screenshot visible, but oh, there we go. It took it a moment to load, and you can see it right over here. So click on it, we can view our screenshot, and also typically you would also have a album tab right here somewhere. You can tap on it, and in that album tab you will find album called screenshots, like the text is right here. If I click on it, that actually takes me to that said album. And in here you can find just screenshots and screen recordings, which makes it much more organized and easy to navigate through. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.